All right, I'm doing the last 3 problems, but before I do that, I wanted to say, check out these formulas, make sure you can identify them. What that means is it'll say which of the following is the equation of the circle, and it'll give you 3 choices. You need to pick the right one as the equation of the circle, and it asks for all of those. So while you don't necessarily have to memorize it, number by number, letter by letter, you do need to recognize what they look like and be able to pick them out of some multiple choice options. The good news is that you then get to use it for the rest of your test because you've picked those out. So make sure to do that. All right, on to the last 3. The first one says solve the system of equations by substitution method. Well, since they're both with y equals, we're just going to set them equal to each other. So 4/5 x plus 4/5 equals 1/6 x minus 3. If I think about a least common denominator here, it would be 30. So then I would have 30 divided by 5 is 6, times 4 is 24x. 30 divided by 5 is 6, times 4 is 24. 30 divided by 6 is 5, times 1, so 5x. And then 30 times 3 is negative 90. So then subtract 5x from both sides. 19x equals, subtract 24 from negative 90 would be a negative 114. Divide that by 19. X equals negative 6. Remember, once I have the x value, I also have to have the y value. So plug that back into either one of those. That second one has a 6 as a denominator, so that one seems like a good one to plug it into. Let's see. Negative 1 minus 3, which is negative 4. I'm doing this quickly, so I really hope that these are the right answers. If you see I made a mathematical mistake, I am human and I'm trying to get this finished quickly for you guys so I can get it posted. All right, here's one that needs to solve by the addition method. Unfortunately, it is one that we need to multiply both the top and the bottom. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. I did the y's just because one was already positive and one of them was already negative, so I didn't have to try to deal with that mess. I'm distributing now so that I can add straight down. These are going to cancel. This is going to become 31x equals negative 31. So that means x equals negative 1. I'm going to plug that back in. It really doesn't matter which one. They all seem about the same in difficulty there. So negative 4y equals negative 4. So y equals positive 1. So negative 1, 1 is my answer. All right, last one. We're going to solve by... I'm going to do substitution methods. I'm going to say y equals 15 minus x. And where there is a y, I'm going to plug in x. Okay. Please do not forget to FOIL, multiply, however you think about that, to get 225 minus 30x plus x squared. And then got to multiply that. Oh, it still equals 225. They are testing bells right now. I don't know if anyone stayed after, but I can't keep stopping the recording, so bear with me, and I apologize. All right. So then I get 3x squared minus 60x plus 225 equals 0. So I went ahead and moved that over and combined with the 450 there. Those are all divisible by 3. Uh, 15 and 5 are my two, whoops, that shouldn't be squared. 15 and 5, but they should both be negative. What did I do? Because I'm not really talking here. What multiplies to get 75? 15 and 5, but add to get negative 20. That's negative 15, negative 5. So x equals 15, x equals 5. Go back and plug those back in. If x equals 15, then y must be 0 for the x plus y equals 15. If x equals 5, then y must equal 10 in that same one to get x plus y equals 15. So I have 15, 0, and 5, 10. And I believe that is the end.